A lot of philosophers these days think they're being edgy by denying any kind of ethics or, God and ethics and all kinds of everything. They're like, what's wrong with being evil? Nothing. So how about this though? This one is especially edgy. What's wrong with inequality? All right, so our documents say we're all men are created equal, and by that they probably meant people. Okay, just so you guys know. Anyway, so all men are created equal, right? And what does that mean? That means I am equal to you, right? But when we talk about inequality in economics, like a forced equality, like where we all make similar amount or the same amount and bring that amount home and we all get the same car and the same house and all that, um, that's Marxism. That's communism, okay? Um, that is not good. That is not what our founders meant at all. It meant, we get due process, we have rights to assembly and speech and things like that, the right to vote. That's why it was determined that women had the right to vote later and African Americans have the right to vote, and apartheid is gone because we're all equal. Okay, that does not mean economically equal. We get the same rights under law. Okay, to pursue life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Um, some people's happiness is business. They have the right to pursue it, right? And forced equality economically is really no freedom at all. And so we're all about liberty. And if you can't you start your own business, make your own money, and be economically um, better off than others, that's really not liberty, is it? It's not liberty at all. And so that's why I say that communism and Marxism is the opposite of freedom, the opposite of liberty. And that capitalism, particularly I support mixed market, um, is the key to freedom, liberty. Okay?